In daily use, the Peakzooc kit proves to be highly practical. Wearing the strap crossbody distributes weight evenly, making it comfortable even during long commutes or travel days. The adjustable length allows for a tailored fit, whether worn high across the chest or lower at the hip. This flexibility makes it easy to adapt the setup to different situations: travel, shopping, or everyday urban use. The pouch, while compact, is surprisingly functional. I found it ideal for carrying credit cards, cash, keys, wireless earbuds, small power bank. It effectively eliminates the need for a separate wallet in many situations. The Peakzooc phone lanyard kit is a thoughtfully designed, highly functional accessory that delivers on its promise of convenience and versatility. Its combination of durable materials, modular components, and user-friendly design makes it particularly well-suited for travel, commuting, and everyday urban use. What stands out most is the attention to detail. The ultra-thin tether tab, the robust metal hardware, and the adaptable carrying options all contribute to a product that feels refined rather than gimmicky. For users looking to simplify their daily carry while keeping their essentials secure and accessible, this kit represents a compelling and well-executed solution.